some time ago, a man punished his daughter for wasting a roll of gold wrapping paper. Money was tight, and he became so infuriated when the child was trying to wrap a gift to him at the Christmas time. Nevertheless, the little girl brought the gift to her dad, and she said, "This is for you." The man was really embarrassed by his overreaction the other day and hugged her. But he became so angry again when he couldn't find anything in the box. So he told his daughter, "Don't you know that when you give somebody a present, there is supposed to be something inside?" The little girl looked up at him in tears and she cried, "Oh, Daddy, it's not empty at all. I blew kisses into the box. They're all for you." Her dad was crushed because of what she said, and he hugged her again in tears. Only a short time later, an accident took the life of that little girl. Her dad later kept the box by his bed, and every time he feels discouraged or crushed by life circumstances, he opens that box and takes an imaginary kiss from the box. The moral of this story is that we have to always appreciate what other people give us, no matter how valueless they are. We have to appreciate these kind of gifts because they are symbolic and they just represent their appreciation of us being in their life. And love is not conditional, especially from a daughter to her father, which is the most precious gift in this world. Have a wonderful day.